देख रहे थे आंखें बंद करके बैठे होते कोई मुझे पता ही नहीं, सिर्फ अगर अच्छे रिस्पॉन्स है तो मुझे बताना या क्या, और यू वेंट एंड यू चेक के नीचे कमेंट्स क्या आ रहे हैं, ट्विटर पे लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं, लाइक हाउ डिड व्हाट डिड
So luckily sort of like blessing in disguise था कि we were shooting throughout. जब एपिसोड भी आ रहे थे तो हमें इस तरह मौका नहीं मिला एपिसोड्स देखने का,
because it was really like crazy chaos था constant.
टाइम नहीं मिला. बट मैं वैसे ही कमेंट्स थोड़े से अवॉइड करता हूँ, द गुड एंड द बैड. मतलब आई डोंट रियली इंडल्ज इन दोस, क्योंकि स्पेशली व्हाइल आई एम स्टिल शूटिंग, क्योंकि you know
Messes with your head.
it messes with your head and you can't let someone enter your mental space. So वो it was I was obviously nervous क्योंकि था, बट मुझे मेरे अम्मी अब्बू की कॉल आई, मेरी बहन की कॉल आई, my friends they called me up and they praised it, and I know कि अगर वो बहुत cringe होता तो वो कुछ भी ना बोलते, बुरा ना बोलते बट कुछ भी ना बोलते. तो उन्हें बोला तो मैं satisfied था कि चलो, and they said this specifically कि हमें लगा था कि थोड़ा over the top होगा, but वो थोड़ा सा it was well balanced according to them. So
सारे सीन लिखे हुए थे या इसमें कोई आपने ऐड किया, आप लोगों ने टीम ने मिलके, या यही वाले स्क्रिप्ट में थे, या यू गाइस थॉट कि अब ये कर ही रहे हैं तो ये वाला भी ऐड कर लेते हैं?
So
why are you laughing? How tell me? I like it. She's like
हाँ, लिखे हुए तो थे, obviously लिखे हुए थे, और but I think there was a lot of room for improvisation.
Like my Anjali and Paro weren't written.
फिर
मतलब वो लिखे हुए थे, पर वो लिखे हुए थे ऐसे थे कि ओवर द टॉप बन के जाती है. तो आई थिंक वी सैट डाउन एंड वी डिसाइडेड कि ऑल ऑफ अस, द एंटायर टीम, वी कलेक्टिवली डिसाइडेड कि इसको हम थोड़ा सा इस तरफ, इस डायरेक्शन में ले जाते हैं. इट वाज अ ह्यूज रिस्क ऑफ कोर्स, बट वी वर लाइक.
But you know, one thing that I really enjoyed on this set is that Ali bhai, he let me do my thing.
Yeah, he gave us a lot of space.
Yeah, matlab I did whatever I did and he would allow me to sometimes even cross the boundaries, the limits, do whatever.
Yeah.
It was like
he gave us a lot of liberty.
Yeah,
with
it was like a blank canvas. You could paint it however.
So दो तीन चीजें क्या आपने खुद से की?
बहुत सी चीजें, दो तीन तो बहुत कम है, इतनी ज़्यादा हैं.
किसी का एग्जांपल दे दें
जो मैंने खुद से की हैं. Just even the type of SRK जो मैंने अपनी आवाज़ थोड़ी सी इसमें हल्की सी चेंज करके कोशिश की है बोलने की, वो मेरा अपना था जो मैं अपने आईब्रोज के साथ करता था सीन में. So basically, he let me do SRK the way I imagined SRK, and that's why maybe it seems authentic. That's why maybe he doesn't seem too over the top, the character, because it's honest.
So which one was your favorite scene to do SRK?
My favorite scene, so I really enjoyed. ये तो कभी खुश कभी गम वाला तो मैंने बोल दिया है उसके बारे में, बट राहुल अंजलि भी बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगा.
या वो मजे का था.
I really liked that क्योंकि उसमें I am constantly in and out of SRK because she overpowers me as Anjali, because I'm not expecting her to come as Anjali. मैं तो बहुत cool होके आया होता हूँ, but वो मुझे मजे का लगा. I think that was probably
my favorite and most surprising was the dance one. When you're shooting in car park में ना, and he comes bike पे and then he starts dancing. I couldn't stop laughing. I was like, this is good. उसकी कितनी practice की, वो मजे का था बहुत.
I think हमने इतनी ज़्यादा तो नहीं की थी उसकी.
बड़े अच्छे moves थे भाई.
नहीं?
Multi talented.
वो बस फिल्म्स देख के बस जो visualize करके.
वो भी सीन था या वो आप लोगों ने खुद से किया है?
I think था. I mean, नहीं था, बिल्कुल था. पर वही बात है कि सीन्स तो थे, पर हमने उसमें बहुत इम्प्रोवाइज किया है.
मतलब हमने पूरी कोशिश की कि हम उसको जितना बेहतर से बेहतर परफॉर्म कर सकें करें.
So of course I was there.
So how has this Ramzan drama whole experience has been for you guys? I know you both have acted in few dramas, लेकिन working with a big cast, shooting every day, आप लोगों को लगता है एज एन एक्टर, एज पर्सन्स, और ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस ने आपको इनरिच किया है, क्या चेंज लाया आपके अंदर?
देखिए, I'll speak for myself and I think I can partially speak for her as well. I think comedy is the most difficult genre. I mean, I think that.
No, completely agree. I talk to you guys for doing this.
Yeah, and I think it's extremely underrated. हम लोग कोई सीरियस परफॉर्मेंस बंदा कर ले तो वो अवार्ड्स में भी and they're recognized, but I think comedy deserves so much more appreciation than it gets, because it's very difficult. To make someone laugh is a very difficult thing, but it's also very fulfilling and satisfying. So that's what I enjoyed. I signed this not क्योंकि I thought कि यार मैं कुछ बहुत ही grand चीज़ कर रहा हूँ ये वो, but I wanted to do a light-hearted comedy with a bit of romance.
A bit.
A bit. But you know, I had signed it as a rom-com, and you know,
It is a rom-com.
yeah, it's a
Com.
rom-com. So मैंने rom-com सोच के sign किया था और comedy मैंने करना था. मुझे I love comedy films. मेरी favorite film है भी अंदाज़ अपना अपना, जो कि I think is brilliant.
Yeah.
तो I think even for you know दानी इनकी भी comedy scenes हैं वो. So I think actors के लिए बहुत ही difficult चीज़ होती है करना. So if we're able to do that, I think it's an achievement, right? I mean, wouldn't you say the same?
Yeah, I think like the first thing that comes to my mind is Sayyida Sidra. Like that,
I
my
know.
first ever, my acting debut was a comedy role. That was, I had next to no practice, but I think that as an actor was extremely fulfilling because I was completely different from who I am as a person, and it was just comic, right?
Yeah.
Like Sayyida Sidra was completely comedy. And so I think, yes, I agree, it's hard, but it's also very, very fulfilling because इसका ये मज़ा होता है ना कि you get instant gratification. आपने funny scene किया, the entire crew is laughing.
Yes.
Like even before you start, just the mannerisms and how you are as the character, the director's already laughing. I remember Nadeem uncle, he used to be like, Sayyida Sidra Batul, and he'd start laughing. So that was very fulfilling. I think Dania isn't a funny character.
No, she isn't.
Dania doesn't have comedy. She's very.
Well, there are some elements.
I mean,
Like I mean,
हल्का
isn't
फुल्का है.
हाँ.
जब वो कमरे में बंद हो जाती है,
it's not a serious character.
जब वो कमरे में बंद हो जाती है और फिर उसकी वो निकलवा रही होती है सनम जी,
Yeah.
तो वो थोड़ा हल्का फुल्का
It's not a serious
Even पूरा वो
character.
पारो वाला and
You have
Anjali
more,
का.
your scenes are more comedy.
Yeah.
Not hers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Rohana's a lot more comedy. My character is not serious, but it's not comedy.
You have more situational comedy
Yeah.
going around you.
Yeah. So the comedy is happening around me, so
Yes.
I have more reactions to the comedy than the comedy itself.
Was it boring at some point in time for you to do that?
No, it was actually more difficult to. I feel as an actor, it's more difficult to execute mundane scenes, normal scenes, as because it's very to make it look realistic when you're doing something very basic. जब आप कुछ नॉर्मल घर की एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो और उसको बिलीवेबल बनाना कि कुछ ओवर ना कर दो आप एक्टिंग करने में, वो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है टू डू वेरी नॉर्मल बेसिक सीन्स. बाकी जो इमोशनल सीन्स हैं, फ़नी सीन्स हैं, वो करने में मज़ा बहुत आता है, बट ये सीन ज़रा मुश्किल है करने में टू मेक इट लुक रियलिस्टिक एंड स्टिल नॉट लूज द ऑडियंसेस इंटरेस्ट.
आप लोगों के फैंस को एक बड़ा शिकवा है